So I recently got a air fryer from Uline of all places. Came with some boxes that I ordered, so why not? And the brand name is Gourmia, and it's kind of funny because Uline hates to be transparent. So on their website, all they have is their Uline part number, which is H-10898, and the manufacturer part number is GAF826. Uline sells this for $120 when you can get it at stores for $80, or maybe less. But it's whatever. Didn't cost me anything, so I don't care. I almost wonder if the price is like that because I don't want to sell them, since it's a free offer. But yeah, so that would be fun. Take a look inside. And maybe if I didn't damage anything. Oh, it's good. See if I can do anything fun with it. Oh, it's I'm gonna do this off camera. It's been overboxed, so it's in its original retail packaging still. I'm curious to see if there's any Uline branding on it. Usually they put their branding on their stuff, but since this is retail packaged, I don't know if they would. Got too many things in my way. Come on. There's not one tripod in my way, there's another. Yeah, it looks like it's been resealed, because there's two stickers on here. I wonder who did the branding then, if it has Uline branding on it. Kind of has me intrigued. Yeah, that was already cut. Interesting. It's pretty big. It's kind of hard to keep this in frame. Looks like it comes with some manuals. Ooh, you got some stickers. Recipe book. I don't know. Thought it'd be a fun addition to my kitchen supplies at the office. Now I can make French fries, which are totally healthy. See how to get this out. Everything's always harder with a tripod in the way. Oh. There we go. Yeah, nothing else in there, just oops, styrofoam on the bottom. This thing's huge. It's almost the size of like half my microwave. With the peel. I don't know why it's been opened at one point and then resealed. Oh, that's cool. Metal. I guess it makes sense it's metal, but metal pan, and then it comes with the metal trivet with some really poorly applied feet. There we go. Those feet must be some sort of high temperature silicone, because I can't imagine like it gets hot in there, so yeah. Probably coated in Teflon, because why not? No. Whoa! Oh, that's just plastic. Yeah. So an air fryer is just a metal pan with a heating element on top and a fan, I guess. I never knew that. I think there's a different name for that. Something grandparents used to use to cook that was similar to this. It was round and had little layers that you could add to it and trays, and you can cook stuff in. Yeah, it's just a heating element with a fan. But apparently air fryer is the fancy pants new term. Probably shouldn't touch the element there, but oh well. But yeah, no Uline branding on it. I don't know why Uline was trying to be so secretive about what the product is. It's not like people are running to Uline to buy air fryers. But I think I'll just leave it as an unboxing because other people have probably used this to cook food. So hopefully that's interesting. Thanks for watching.